capable of crafting the very tissues that make up human life. The theory is compelling, but has AI-driven 3D printing of organs been put into practice? Indeed, the practical applications of this revolutionary technology are not just theoretical, but are manifesting in labs and hospitals around the globe. For instance, researchers have successfully printed miniature human kidneys and livers, which are now being used to test the efficacy of new drugs, reducing the reliance on animal testing and speeding up medical research. In another groundbreaking achievement, scientists have utilized AI to optimize the structure of printed heart tissues that beat almost like a human heart. These tissues are helping to pave the way for the future of heart transplants, potentially saving thousands of lives every year. Moreover, ongoing research is focusing on enhancing the precision and speed of 3D bioprinting to make it viable for emergency medical scenarios. Aiming to revolutionize the way we think about organ donation and transplantation, these successes aren't just milestones, they are beacons of hope for millions waiting for a transplant. So, what does the future hold for AI in 3D printing of organs? As we've explored, the synergy between artificial intelligence and three-dimensional bioprinting is revolutionizing the field of medicine. This integration is enhancing precision and efficiency, making the once distant dream of readily available organ transplants closer to reality. Looking ahead, advancements in machine learning could lead to even more personalized and complex tissue structures. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, the fusion of AI and 3D printing holds the promise to redefine what is possible in medical transplants.